So we're going to make some char cloth. We've got a tin. Just want to poke a hole in it. Like that. I've got two types of cloth. One is cotton. So we've got some cotton and we've got some silk. I'm going to try them both. And just put them on the fire there. Now you can see the smoke coming out of the hole. I'll just zoom in a little bit. Alright, when it stops smoking like that, that's how you know that the char cloth is ready. So it'll smoke and then it'll stop smoking and then you can just take it off.
See what you mean about it burning through.
It'll take the spark, but
It just burns right through.
goes a little bit. Oh yeah. So I've cut some new material. This is from an old singlet. It's cotton and it's a bit thicker. So we're going to see how that goes. So, just one bit there, one little spark, that's enough. You can see it burning there. It's, ooh, and she's hot. So I'm gonna get some of that dry material and we're gonna throw that there a bit. Throw a bit of that there on top. And it'll just smolder away, that char cloth. It's fantastic. Get some of that stuff on there. And just blow a little bit. Aerate the material just a little bit. Now you can see it's starting to get a lot of smoke off there. That char cloth is still burning away. And it's almost going. And there we have it. There you go. That is fire with char cloth. That's plenty good.